So you just started a business doing remodeling of homes and you want to know, how do I get leads and how do I be successful? First things first, identify how much money do you have to invest in your business. And this is very important. As the famous quote goes, trying to save money on advertising is like trying to save time by stopping the clock. You're not going to get anywhere. You have to be ready to spend money to make money. And the first thing you want to spend that money on is getting really good content. Show yourself. Don't tell people who you are. Show them what you do. For example, if you're remodeling kitchens, show them your work. And I'm sure that everyone has some kind of work that they've done before. Whether you've done it for another company or yourself, anything you've been involved on in the past, this is what you want to showcase to start with. And obviously, as the time progresses and you complete more jobs, you want to document them and show before and after. Some of the best projects that we've shown were the dramatic transformations from old-looking kitchens to new kitchens, old-looking bathrooms to new bathrooms. People love to see this kind of stuff. The before and after are very important. Also consider doing a time-lapse. Time-lapse recording are very dynamic, exciting videos that people want to watch from beginning to end. And that is actually a crucial point. Whenever you're sharing content online, you want to make sure that it's something that has a high see-through, meaning people don't stop watching it halfway through. So photos before and after, time-lapse camera of the progress of the project, and all these services. By the way, whatever I'm recommending, it's all affordable, especially with us. I don't know, maybe other people are going to overcharge you, but if you call us, we'll take great care of you. We'll work all over the United States. You can call us, we'll help you document your project. Third thing you want to do is just having a dynamic video. Like once you complete the project, and you can also incorporate the before and after into the video as well, you want to showcase with music. Nice music gives positive emotions and it will really showcase the transformation. We are all visual beings. There are studies out there showing that videos have 400% higher engagement than any other form of content out there. And that is really important. You want to make sure that your content is shared with others, and you want to make sure that it gets delivered to them as inexpensively as it possibly can. Videos happen to help you with that quite a lot. Another way you can document your project is by creating a virtual tour. Once you have completed a project, you can scan the whole place and showcase it from corner to corner. You can tag it, as we'll show you on the screen right here. You can tag those projects, so as a person is walking through a listing, they can click on certain parts of it and say, oh, this is a cabinet from there, and a table from there, and a granite countertop, and etc. Those things can be tagged and displayed in a very unique way. And in fact, consider doing a virtual tour also before you start the project, because you can extract those files in order for your architect to work on them. And that saves you quite a bit of time, because you'll have all the measurements with 99 point something% accuracy. I don't remember the exact number, but you get the idea. Another thing you can do is you can create renderings of what the place will look like once it's remodeled. So once you photographed it, you can give us your ideas of how you're going to work on the space, and we can remodel it for you the way you would do it with the materials that you would choose, so you can present a potential customer of what they're going to get. In fact, some of the clients that working with us, they're actually upcharging their clients for this service. And actually, one other tip I'm going to give you, also record testimonial videos. Showcase how happy your customers are after working with you. Let them talk into the camera, because there's nothing more validating than hearing a happy experience from a past client. You definitely want to leverage that. And lastly, record yourself. Show your face to your potential audience. Tell them why they should work with you. I'm sure you have a great sales pitch. You started this business on the premise that you're a good salesperson, because otherwise you're not going to be very successful. You want to make sure your sales skills are dialed down. And in fact, if you want to talk about sales, I do have a whole video dedicated about that. Please watch that at your convenience. So now that you have all this content set up, video, photos, virtual tour, let's talk about website. Get yourself an amazing looking website. The most common website people use is WordPress. We built our websites on WordPress foundation. We have excellent templates we use. We make custom design for our clients, and they showcase the work in the portfolio. You can have a portfolio feature with before and after, like you have a slider that slides before and after, showing you how you've transformed some of these spaces that you've remodeled. That is very effective. And also, a good website starts with a video right away. The moment it loads, it shows you those interior spaces. And sometimes we mix in the surrounding areas. For example, here in Southern California, showing the beaches and the mountains, all this good stuff, just the visuals. Elevate the brand and elevate the experience. You want to always show luxury. You want to explain through visuals to people why they should hire you, because you understand luxury and aesthetics. Very important in your industry. You want to make sure your website is optimized for the search engines. It's built in the right way where it loads fast and it has all the right keywords throughout the website. So in case somebody's searching for you, they will find you. You want to also make sure that all the service areas are listed properly. Now let's move on to actually getting visitors. And I just mentioned the search engine optimization. Although that is a great and lofty goal, do not rely on it. Most businesses do not get their main traffic from search engines, especially the new businesses. It's extremely difficult to get business through search engines. Instead, focus on good advertising campaign. One of the best platforms that happens to be for this industry is Yelp. Yelp is an amazing way to get business fast. The moment you launch a campaign on Yelp, if properly optimized, and we have a whole video dedicated to Yelp, and I highly recommend that you watch that. If a campaign is properly optimized, you will get leads day one, right away. Even if you're brand new on Yelp and have no reviews, nevertheless, you can get leads and you can get business. That's probably my number one advice. Start with Yelp. Once that's optimized, move on to Google. Google advertising is very effective as well. And then if that is optimized, the next level would be optimizing social media pages and creating content for social and then boosting that content. But that is more of a long-term goal, so you can grow your social media presence that will help you with branding and just audience retention and having followers. That will help you build a big business in the long term. In the short term, Yelp, then Google. Those are two primary ways online to drive traffic right away to your newly built beautiful website and content. Other forms of advertisement that you might want to explore are direct mailers. You want to do postcards, sending postcards to potential homes that might need a remodel, especially identify neighborhoods that are older and that could use a fresh kitchen or update in their house, and you send them a nice postcard. That is a very effective way to get new business. Or just pay for ad space in magazines that cater to this kind of audience and this kind of services. Some people also use Angie's List, although I wouldn't recommend Angie's List or Thumbtack. In my opinion, Thumbtack is one of the worst platforms out there. They eat up a lot of money and don't give you good results. I would definitely stay away from Thumbtack as far as you possibly can. And lastly, now that you're getting leads and you're knowing how to sell to them, you want to make sure your systems are dialed in. Everything's working like a Swiss clock. That starts with your IT. By the way, this is a service we offer. If you want us to help you with your IT services, we surely can. And also, you want to automate everything as much as possible so you can focus on being out there on the field, talking to customers, and making those remodels happen. The less time you can spend on technicalities, the better. Optimize everything as well as you can. Good CRM systems, good IT system, everything that you can possibly have to enable scaling and growth. Always think long term. Now you might not be busy, but tomorrow, if you follow our advice, you might get very busy and you don't want to run into a problem where you just simply don't have enough time for growth. You want to be able to scale, add new employees, and everything flows like butter. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, you will tell the algorithm that it's something of value, and give us a comment. If you feel like some of the things that I've said are not useful, let me know. I always learn from criticism. Or if you feel like I didn't cover something enough, also do let me know. Subscribe for more. Check out some of our other videos. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next one.